So, natigtuyok pa.
Sugat na rin. Paspas gini.
Gagmay lang.
Gamay ning isa oh.
Di mo mamaro sa kadako si Ronald.
Dako ring isa. Awang porma sa pikas.
Ito no?
Awang porma sa pikas ah. Gamay eh.
Hindi rin, brato sa kamigil na, mga 3,000 na siguro.
Pagkuha. Pilit lang.
Gamay na ni Dirigi, wala, may mga bus, direct truck.
Oh,
Ito speakers, kaya naman yung truck nito.
dump truck dito lagi. Uy, waiting naman ito. Orange o green. Dito ta sakay.
Ito ro.
Baka ngamot.
It's a stick of the most amazing and sensational gum in the whole universe. Because this gum is a three-course dinner all by itself. Why would anyone want that?
Bante.
It will be the end of all kitchens and all cooking. Just a little strip of Wonka's magic chewing gum, and that is all you will ever need at breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Mga motor may karga diyo.
Gum happens to be tomato soup, roast beef, blueberry pie.
Kung sa kanang mga kumbiyansa ng mga badyawan ni nga kusukin mo salom na.
I'd rather have there's still one or two things that are a little
I'm the world record holder in chewing gum. I'm not afraid of anything. How is it, honey? It's amazing. Tomato soup. I can feel it running down my throat.
spit it out. Young lazy, I think you'll blaze it.
It's changing. Roast beef with big potato, crispy skin and butter.
Daghan kayo nag-appeal aning this PC ba? Tanan ni at tanang private o public school sa Davao. Primero, pag elimination nila, 100 plus pa sila. Ang nakasulod, 20 na lang sa second round.
Oh. Skandra na ron.
Ayaw na sa second o siya. Duha man kwaon. Kaya nalagi issue lagi daw sa itong buwan. Nakakadugay na ni Gia o buwan. Taon-taon na itong mga ganitong kung sa SPC sa una po mo kayo mag-first year. Ano, ikaw na may gilaban nga. Imong kalaban na nga. Senior high naman, lapil senior high. Sunod na unta ka. Gana ito yung maestra ba? Na-advisor ni Jaco karon. Kaya ilaw pa daw ba? Panon sa grupo pa dapat ito. Naman po yung mga grupo.
Take her along to the juicing room at once.
Bunggo, atras ni ron.
The juicing room? What are they going to do to her there? They're going to squeeze her.
Tuyok eh.
We got to squeeze all that juice out of her immediately.
Why hold on to it? When I'm starting new race. Because then I wouldn't be a champion. I'd be a loser. I keep
Atras ng bunggo.
Atras.
Kabante. Dagan ko na isulod.
Nang dagkang sulod na ibaso.
Wina. Sakay ang Wina, Church. Pugat. Wina basta sakay. Rowina.
Yabaw katingin, iwag ko na siya.
Ha?
Yabaw katingin.
Dapat katingin lo.
Pacquiao
Davao City,
na
Kati, Pacquiao.
government
Government eh.
Field trip.
Wait,
Baka po nila ka ng balod ba? Magtuya-tuya, ganyan ang gamyo.
oo.
Pero gagbar
Ay, lisod kayong sakay, no? Lagi tayo mana diri.
Balod kayo ba? Alternate din yung una din sa to.
Last man tayo abot. Hindi na karoon na ba itong ba?
Day 10 of me hatching a chicken for the first
Itong
time.
blue nut.
New year, I watched this video of a guy hatching a chicken with the top of the egg up, and I thought I'd give it a go. So for the last week, we've been watching this chicken go. And this
Pwede rin, kami nalaglitsyon na eh.
Sige ano?
chicken. So it's day 10 now.
Kasi dito pag na
Check how it's doing. I sat down in the morning to check his incubator, and honestly, I was pretty scared because it's